In this video, I'll detail how to change digital crown from right to left on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to change your Apple Watch digital crown location from right and then put it on the left side so that you can easily have it like this and control it perfectly, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change digital crown location on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the digital crown once. Then you'll be taken to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, scroll down and click on general. Once you tap general, scroll down and click on orientation. Then under orientation, click on the wrist you want to use. So if you want to use your left wrist, select left. Then scroll down and under digital crown, tap left. Then you should see your Apple Watch rotated instantly. Then if you rotate your Apple Watch, then you should see the Apple Watch digital crown rotated like this. Then you can easily control your Apple Watch with your left hand. You see that? So that's how you can easily change Apple Watch digital crown from right to left. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.